Welcome to Invest with Declan. Today, we're talking about building wealth, whether you use dollars, euros, or whatever currency is in your country. And today, we're breaking down the 10 best assets to invest in for 2025 and beyond. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or scary, even if you're starting with just $100. This video is your beginner's roadmap to building real long-term wealth. No get-rich-quick schemes, just smart, informed decisions. We'll cover everything from classic investments to modern options, so you can find what fits your goals and risk tolerance. Ready to make your money work for you? Grab a notepad and let's dive in. Smash that like button and let's get started. Let's start with the classic individual stocks. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of a real company. Think Apple or Amazon. If the company grows, so does your investment. That's the power of compounding and why stocks have built fortunes for generations. Diversification is key. Invest across different industries to spread out risk. For beginners, blue-chip companies are a safe way to start. Stocks offer growth potential. Just remember to do your research. Next up, real estate, a tangible asset that builds wealth through appreciation and rental income. Property values tend to rise over time, and renting out property can generate steady cash flow. Real estate lets your asset pay for itself while it grows in value. It's a powerful way to build equity and increase your net worth. If picking stocks or buying property feels overwhelming, try index funds and ETFs. With one purchase, you own a slice of hundreds of companies. Instant diversification. They're simple and low cost and perfect for passive investors. You're betting on the long-term growth of the market, not just one company. Set it and forget it. Ideal for beginners. Curious about crypto? Bitcoin and Ethereum offer huge potential, but also huge risk. Prices swing wildly, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Think 1-5% of your portfolio. Stick to established coins, do your research, and expect volatility. Crypto is for the speculative part of your investments. Want real estate exposure without being a landlord? Check out REITs, companies that own income-generating properties. Buy shares like a stock and earn dividends from rent collected. REITs offer real estate benefits with stock market simplicity and liquidity. It's a great way to earn passive income and diversify. Bonds are the stabilizer, less risky than stocks. They provide steady income. You're lending money to governments or companies and earning interest. Bonds cushion your portfolio during market downturns. Essential for risk-averse investors or those nearing retirement. Don't overlook high-yield savings accounts. They keep your cash safe and earn more interest than regular banks. Perfect for your emergency fund, protecting your money from inflation. Before investing, make sure you have this safety net in place. It's the foundation of financial security. Gold and silver are classic stores of value, especially during economic uncertainty or inflation. They don't pay income, but they protect your purchasing power. Invest in physical metals or ETFs. Just a small allocation can add stability. Think of precious metals as financial insurance. Want to back the next big thing? Platforms now let you invest in startups with as little as $100. High risk, high reward. Most startups fail, but a winner can multiply your investment. Only invest what you can afford to lose. It's a chance to support innovation and maybe hit it big. The best investment? Yourself. Skills, education, and personal growth pay lifelong dividends. Learn high-income skills, read, and network. Each makes you more valuable. The extra income you earn can fuel all your other investments. Never stop learning. Investing in yourself is always worth it. There you have it, the 10 best assets for 2025 and beyond. You don't need to invest in everything at once. US dollar, euro, or whatever currency is in your country bills clip together and build a portfolio that fits your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, this video is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. The most important step is getting started. If you found value here, hit like and subscribe for more investing tips. Drop a comment. Which asset are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.